Hey everyone, want to see a magic trick? You've got this candy star from just this. Alright, so this is a complex candy star, and I'm going to show you how to do that. But first, you should probably learn how to do this. If you haven't already, click the link either here or down there. So, how you're going to be making this is with pony beads, and that sounds weird, but anyways, you're going to need some elastic and pony beads. And as for the bead count, for the yellow here, you're going to need 5. For the red, you're going to need 10. For the orange, 15. The green here, you're going to need 20. For the green here, you're going to need 15. And for the blue here, you're going to need 15. So it goes 5, 10, 15, 20, 15, 15. So, yeah, I don't know the total of that. You can add it yourself. And some scissors, Okay, so you're just going to start off by taking your elastic. And what you're going to be doing is we're going to thread up through the points here. We just threaded through here, the little point of the star, and now we're gonna pick up a bead and we're gonna thread up through the next point, and you get this. And we should be coming out of this bead, and we're gonna add on another bead and do the same thing by going through these 3 beads, and we'll do that all the way around. Okay, so now we're just gonna tie it after you thread on your last bead. Okay, so now we get this. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna thread through one of these beads that we just added, and we're gonna add on a bead and thread through the point. And by the way, a needle might be helpful when making this. And now we add on another bead and thread through the next bead we added. So do that all the way around. I added on my last bead and it should look like this. And now we just tie it off. We are going to thread through this bead that has the first bead we added. So it's pink, so I'm threading through an orange, which has a pink right here instead of a white. So thread through, and now I'm gonna add on 1 bead and thread through the next orange. Now instead of adding on 1, I'm gonna add on 2 beads. Thread through the next orange, and again 1, and then 2, and we just do that all the way around. Okay, so I added on my last 2 beads, and now we're just gonna tie it. Now, what we're gonna do is thread through these 2 points, and we're going to add on 2 of the next color, and then 3 of your next color, and then 2 more of your next color, or you could do 1 color, whatever you're doing. But we just added on 7 beads. And now we're going to thread through the next group of 2. So when you get that. And we're just going to keep doing this all the way around. I added on the last 7 beads, and now we're just going to tie it off. Okay, so now we're going to be adding the points. And this is the part where you really do want a needle. So we're going to thread up through these 3 beads. And now we're going to add 3 beads. Now we're going to thread down through these 3 beads and then through those 2 beads. Like that. And now we're going to thread back up through these 3. Add on 3 more. And now thread back down through these 3 and then through these 2 and do that all the way around. Alright, I added on my last point and now I threaded through here and I'm just going to thread through these 2 beads and then I'm going to cut my strings and tie it off. And there you have it, your very own complex candy star, and I hope this tutorial made it simple for you so it wasn't so complex. But anyways, thanks for watching. Bye, subscribe!